Hello children, how are you? How are you today? I am good, I am well. What about you? Hello kids, welcome to Savita for Academy. This is our SST lecture and today we revise safety rules chapter for 6th one worksheet exam preparation. Chapter number 16 safety rules. First we read loudly, okay, then we solve all exercise. Kids, always use zebra crossing, okay, don't disturb driver, keeping toys your neat and in cupboard, okay, don't keep your toys here and there, okay, and don't disturb school driver uncle. Waiting in a queue and then boarding the bus, okay, that one your safety rules. Let's come to the point. We read our lesson. Kids, we must take care of ourselves and others. Accidents take place due to our carelessness. To avoid accidents, we should always be careful and alert. We should always follow safety rules. Let us discuss some rules to keep ourselves safe. Safety rules. Safety at home. Never leave the floor wet. You may slip. Keep toys in their place. You may trip and fall over them. Never touch electric wires, plugs, electronic gadgets, heaters and hot irons with wet hands. This can give you an electric shock. Use the electronic gadgets safely and under the strict supervision of your parents or any other elder. Never touch a damaged electric wire. Never touch the knobs of a gas burner. Open all the windows and doors in case of any gas leakage. Do not light matchsticks, lighters or turn on electric switches. On page number 101 now. Do not water synthetic cloths while working in the kitchen. They catch fire easily. Never play with a sharp object like knives, blades and scissors. If you need to use such objects, always take the help of elders. Do not eat any medicine unless given by parents or a doctor. Do not burn crackers unless you are with an adult. Do not go into a swimming pool without an adult. Never open the door to any stranger. Never learn from the terrace. Never lean from the terrace. Keep away from cleaning agents like toilet cleaners, liquid detergents or bleach. They are hazardous as they contain chemicals and acids. Never use the internet without the supervision of parents. Many websites appearing child friendly can be connected to cyber crimes against children. Now about safety at school. Kids, do not push anybody on the stairs or in the playground even in a fun. They may get hurt. Do not rush or push while going in and out of the classroom. Always walk in a queue. Do not jump on or run about the benches. Do not board the bus in a hurry. Wait in a queue and then board the bus. Do not play carelessly where the school buses are parked. Now, we are on page number 102. Take care of school property. Do not make the class dirty. Do not lean into an open water tank or a manhole. Whenever in a playground, play properly, follow rules and do not hurt anybody. Do not play rough games like throwing things at each other. Obey teachers and follow school rules. Do not enter school labs alone as many dangerous solution acids are kept there. Follow all the instructions given by the teacher. Enter the lab when your teacher and lab assistant are around. Now, time to safety on the road. While going to school, we see buses, scooters and cars moving on the road. We are safe only when we follow the traffic rules. For example, always use the zebra crossing to cross the road. We must cross the road only when the pedestrian traffic light is green. Before crossing the road, look to your right, then left, and then right again. Never cross the road without an adult. Always walk on the footpath. Kids, do not run or play on the road. Never cycle on the road. Always follow traffic signals and traffic rules. Never disturb the driver while she is driving the vehicle. Do not put your head or hand out of the moving bus. Always wear a seat belt when in a car. Then again continue. Do not open the door of a car suddenly as it may hit a passenger by. When you are on a scooter or a motorcycle, wear a helmet for a safety. Do not get in or out of a moving bus. Never touch any strange object on the road. Okay. Now, traffic lights. The red light tells us to stop. The yellow light tells us to wait. The green light tells us to go. Then the MCQ. Always use the zero crossing to cross the road. Second one, the red light tells us to stop. And third one, the yellow light tells us to wait. Now, first aid. Okay. About first aid. First aid means an emergency care or a treatment given to a person before she is taken to a doctor. A first aid box should be in every house, classroom and school. An emergency kit has few ointment, bandages, medicines, sprays and band-aids. It is also used when someone gets hurt or is sick. First aid rules when we use. If someone gets hurt, call an elder person, teacher or doctor as soon as possible. Never crowd around a sick, injured person. Okay. Give the injured person water and help him or her to sit or lay down in a comfortable position. Now turn your page and you on page number 104. If a person is bleeding, use an antiseptic lotion to clean the wound. When bleeding does not stop, tie a clean handkerchief or a bandage over the wound. In case someone is burned, immediately place the burnt area under running cold water till the person feels better. Ice cubes can also be placed on the burnt area. Emergency numbers. It's very important. Emergency numbers should be known to all of us. They are easy to remember. Everyone must know them by heart. These helpline numbers help people in a dangerous condition such as outbreak of a fire, medical emergencies like an accident at home, neighborhood or on the road. A phone call on time can save lives. Find out when the following emergency number can be used. 100 police helpline 101, fire helpline 102, ambulance helpline 108, disaster management 181, women's helpline 1098, child helpline. Then one homework also here, match correctly. Okay, it's your homework. Good and bad touch. Now we have to be safe in every way. It is important to know about good touch and bad touch. A good touch makes us feel good, but a bad touch is scary and makes us nervous. Our body tells us when a touch feels bad. If anybody touches you in a manner that makes you feel uncomfortable, unhappy or scary, then it is a bad touch. If something like this happens, you must tell your parents or teachers immediately. Give all the details about the person who touched you or even tried to touch you. Your mother, father and teachers care for you. They want you to be safe and happy. Therefore, you should always share with them if something bad or disturbing happens to. Okay. Now, new words. It's very important. You can write down easily any definition. For example, knobs. Knobs means what? Round switches on a machine to switch them on and off. Pedestrian means a person walking on the road and not traveling in a vehicle. Cue means a line. Supervision means guidance. Now, points to remember. Do not touch electric wire, plugs, heaters and hot irons with wet hands. Never play with sharp objects like knives, blades and scissors. Never jump on or run about the benches. Follow school rules. Then, always use the zebra crossing, cross the road, follow traffic rules. A first aid box should be there in every home, classroom and schools. Always tell your parents or teacher if someone touches you inappropriately. Now, kids exercise time. Why do exercise take place? Because when we not follow rules then. Okay. Now B1 multiple choice question. Never touch electric wire, plugs, heaters and hot irons with wet hands. Okay. WAT, this is an option, correct option. Now second one, do not dash anybody on the stairs, push. Okay. Third one, we should not dash on the road, run. C1, identify the place where we follow these rules. One is done for you. Never touch the knobs of a gas burner, rule at home. Okay. Now turn page. We are on page number 106. Second one, do not jump or run about the benches. Safety at school. Do not make the class dirty. Safety at school. Always follow traffic signals. Safety at road. Okay. D1, write short notes. Write any 2 rules that you must follow at home, at school. Any 2 you write down. Okay. Second one, you can see I'll show you at home and at school rules. See here. At home, lot of rules our textbook given here. Any 2 you can write down. For example, never leave the floor wet, you may slip. Second one, keep toys in the place, you may trip and fall over them. Okay. This one 2 you can write down, or any if you want. Okay. Then safety at school. Any 2 rules you can write down. See which is the smallest you can write down. Do not jump on or run about the benches. This one you can write down. Or do not walk or play carelessly where the school buses are parked. Okay. Any 2 you write down. Behind also a lot of rules here. Now next question, short notes. How should we cross the road? Okay. Second one, what are emergency number? Write any 2. See here, lot of, how many? Not a lot of. 1, 2, 3, 6 emergency numbers here. 100, police helpline 101, fire helpline 102, ambulance helpline 108, disaster management 181, women's helpline and 1098, child helpline. Any 2 you can write down, because our textbook saying write any 2. Okay. Third one, how should we cross the road? How should we cross the road? How we write down? This one question answer. See, safety at school here, and where is it? Yes, safety on the road. Okay. Here our question answer is here. While going to school, see, traffic rules. Yes, before crossing road, look to your right, then left and then right again. Never cross the road without an adult. And you can add, before crossing the road, you can see left, right and then you can move. Okay. Now next one question. Fourth one, short note. Why should we follow safety rules? Because of prevent accident. Okay. And for our good life. Then next one, application based question. Your friend Sachin gets hurt while playing. How do you take care of him? Our question. For example, first I will call an elder person, teacher or a doctor. Okay. Then see, first aid rules that we add in our answer. Okay. When someone hurt, I call first any elder person, for example teacher, doctor, mother, parents. Okay. Then never crowd around a sick person. Give the injured person water and help him her sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Then we can write down, if a person is bleeding, I use antiseptic lotion to clean the wound. When bleeding does not stop, I tie a clean handkerchief or a bandage over the wound. Okay, in case okay, our question is, your friend Sachin gets hurt while playing. Okay, it's not a burn, so till it will stop. Okay, this type we write down our question answer. Then next one, F, answer the following question. List 3 rules to avoid accident in a school. Okay, any 3 rules, school rules, you can write down here. For example, where is, see, safety at school. Okay, for example, any 2 from here you write down, or see, take care of school property, obey teachers and follow school rules. Okay, you can write down. Do not lean into an open water tank or a main hole. You can write down. And don't push anyone. Do not push anybody on the stairs or on the playground when even in a fun also. Okay, they may get hurt. This one you write down. Do not board the bus in a hurry. Wait in a queue and board the bus. Okay, it's for our safety and not happen any accident. Now, how can we remain safe at our homes? At our homes, okay. Never leave the floor wet. Keep toys in place. Okay. Never touch electric wires, plugs. Few safety rules you can take and write down. Okay, or in a short you can write down 5 rules. For example, never leave the floor wet, keep toys proper. Okay, never touch electric wires, plugs, electronic gases. Okay, never touch gas burners, never touch damaged electric wire. Okay, this type you read. And don't play with the sharp knife, blades and scissors. Okay, and don't burn crackers. This type you write down. Never lean from the terrace. Now, how do rules make our life easy? When we follow the rules, we are safe. Our life is safe and become good person. Next one, what do you understand by the team first aid? List 4 things that a first aid box should contain. First aid is emergency care given before a doctor's help. A first aid box should have ointments, bandage, medicines and sprays and be present in every home, classroom and school. Okay. Now, fifth one, what is the difference between a good touch and a bad touch? Good touch feels safe, while bad touch is uncomfortable and scary. From this one para you can write down your answer. Okay, good touch make us feel good, bad touch is scary to make us nervous. Okay, so always we inform our parents and teachers if someone touches is inappropriately. Okay, and disturbing us. Thank you, kids. I hope all of you enjoy this one lecture, and this one video is very useful for your exam preparation. Thank you, kids.